Welcome to Common Pitfalls. Today we're going to talk about instructors utilizing the time and space properly. So often when instructors are first starting out, they are doing kind of like a ping pong ball around the studio, and they're just jumping from one piece of equipment to another, back to the first one again, and they're all over the place. And this can have a lot of negative ramifications on the studio. So a lot of times when they're doing this, they're also leaving a big mess and causing a lot of disruption on where they're going and what equipment they're utilizing. Most importantly, this can also be a big problem with the client. This is wasting their time, and they're not really going to get as good a workout when you're jumping all over the studio and losing a lot of time that could be spent on other exercises. So you want to show the client that you respect them and that you are prepared by having an organized lesson plan ahead of time that is thoughtful and intentional on what you want to work on with them, and you know where you're going to work and how you're going to do it. I think that usually when this happens, instructors are often not prepared, and they haven't taken the time to deliberately think about what they want to do with that client. Usually they're just kind of going off the cuff, and they're just doing whatever exercise pops into their head to do next. Again, it's just not very respectful, and it's not going to help you become a better teacher, because a lot of times the lessons and the exercises that are going to slip away from you are the ones that you're not thinking of in the moment. You're going to think of the exercises that you teach all the time and that you're good at and that you enjoy doing, not the ones that are trickier and harder. So it's also going to be a detriment to not developing your teaching skills. So plan ahead, and you and your clients will both benefit.